So here we have the Ford Focus 1.6 titanium power shift, so that's the automatic on a 12 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through some of the controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are in lovely condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, you can see the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. And then at the top, we have a trip computer, which includes the total miles on this car of 27,998. Directly above that, you can change the trip computer information that you can see there. So you can see we've got fuel economy information. You can see that divided up individually amongst other sort of sections, if you like. So you can just have a look at the miles per gallon, your average miles per hour, rather than seeing it in these 4 quadrants just here. Backing out to the steering wheel, the buttons you'd use to do that are on the right hand side here. On the left hand side are buttons to change some of these stereo options, to go through radio stations and things like that, for example. Cruise control and speed limiter are underneath to the right. And then we've got phone controls and stereo controls over here underneath the right hand section of the steering wheel. Over in the centre, we've got the main stereo unit and the screen directly above that. So you can see when it comes to radio, we have FM. Every push of the radio button will give us a different frequency. So there's 2 FM, DAB, a second DAB, and then AM, and a second AM one. So all in all, 6 different presets, and you can change your favourite radio stations. So you've got 9 presets per setup, if you like. So 9 per 6 of the ones that I just showed you a moment ago. Beyond that, we have a CD player, we've got auxiliary input, and we can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well, and that's all done via this main unit that you see there. Below that, we've got dual zone climate control, so you can independently adjust the temperature on either side of the car. When you're happy with the temperature, fan speed is adjustable up and down just here. You can turn the air conditioning on with this button, and you see that's now on, or back off again, or you can hit auto. It will turn the air conditioning on, and it will take control of the fan speed itself to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. You can override that by simply readjusting the fan speed. We then have a heated front and rear screen. We have the fully automatic gearbox. On the side of the gearbox you've got a plus and minus. That is so that you can change gear manually should you wish to. And we then have a 12-volt charging socket just there. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.